Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to install Java onto our system and we'll try to run our first Java program. So for this I had created this wiki. I will paste the link in the YouTube's comment section which you can follow. So for installing Java we first need to download this JDK, which is the Java development kit. Now in the previous video we had seen that JDK contains all the important libraries and development tools which are required for Java development, right? So first we need to download this Java development kit, and for that just go to your browser and type JDK download. At the top of the search results you will see Oracle's official website which says Java downloads. You can click on it. Here there is a list of Java versions which is 26, 25, 21, and 25 and 21 have long-term support, which means that they will be in use for longer period. So for safe purpose you can download long-term support, but as we are just beginners so we don't need this long-term support and all. Simply we can download this 26 version too. So for this here you can select which operating system you are on. So if you are Linux, it is already selected by default. If you are on Mac OS, then you need to select Mac OS and download this DMG installer, whichever suits your machines. Then for Windows, you can download this MSI installer or compressed archive, whatever you want. So I'm on Mac OS and I will download this ARM64 DMG installer. Once the download is completed, you can open this DMG file and run it. Here click on continue and install. I had already installed it, so I'm not going to install it again. You can simply click on this install button and rest will be completed. Now coming back to this steps, we have downloaded the JDK because it contains Java compiler, Java runtime, standard library and all the development tools. And next step is to verify if Java is installed correctly or not. So for that we can use this command which says Java version. We need to copy it, open the terminal and simply paste it. If we hit enter, you will get the list of the Java details of the Java version that is installed on your machine. So I had installed this 26th version, that's why it is showing 26.0.1. If you have installed 24, it will show 24. If you have installed 21, it will show 21, right? Then we can check the Java compiler's version if it is installed correctly. It shows Java compiler 26.0.1. It means that the download is successful. Next step is to download the Visual Studio Code. And one more thing here, if your installation is completed and it is correct but somehow the Java is not showing its version, then you can restart your machine or else add that Java path into system variables for Windows user. For Mac it will work correctly almost. Okay, now next step is to install the Visual Studio Code. It is a lightweight code editor in which we are going to write the code. So for this, again open your browser and simply type Visual Studio Code download. From the official site you can download it for whatever operating system you are on. So for Mac, just simply download it and complete your installation. Okay, once the code editor is installed, we need to open it. So you can open by typing it in the search window. So this is how the interface look for the Visual Studio Code. You can cancel it. Here is the list of files or the folder which you are working on. Currently don't have any because we have not opened any folder. Then there is a search for searching inside the files. This is for GitHub source control. This is for debugging, and this is for downloading the extensions, right? So for Java, we need to download the two extensions. Here you can type extension for Java, and just download this Java official one and extension pack for Java by Microsoft. These both are enough, right? You just need to click on this install button and rest will be handled by Visual Studio Code. Now we need to open a folder. So create a folder wherever you want and click open folder here. Then redirect to that newly created folder I had created in desktop. Okay, it is not there. We'll click new folder and create the Java one, right? So Java is created and I am going to open it. Once open, you can see the folder name that we are currently in, and from here we can create file, we can create folder, we can refresh the workspace. These are these options for. So first we are going to create our main Java code file, which is this main.java file. Click on this new file option and type main.java. So Java code files have this .java extension, and inside it paste this code. We will see what this code means, like what is this main class, then what is this public static void main, what is this println. We will see in the later videos what it actually means, but for now just understand that this println prints whatever that is present inside this round bracket. Okay, now if I run this program, then hello world should be printed in the terminal. For this, open your terminal, right? And the first step we need to do is to compile this main.java file, because we had seen in the previous videos that we need to first compile the Java file. It will create a bytecode and then we need to run that bytecode. So for compiling it, we have Java compiler, and then we need to write the main.java, the name of the file. You can see the main.class file is created. It contains all the bytecode. Here it says that source code is decompiled. It means that the source the bytecode was present and it is decompiled, right? So this main.class file contains the bytecode, and then we need to run this bytecode using Java, right? For running the bytecode, you can just simply name the main. You don't need to write this .class, and if you run this, hello world will be printed here. It means that we had successfully run our first Java program and also installed the Java correctly. In the later video, we will see what this code means and go into some advanced topics. So for now, bye bye.